Hello guys, welcome to our bottom my tutorial videos of CADS.
This video I'll teach you how to do a continuous beam. For driver has possible to let the kids this kind of beam, this beam out here. I'll be doing this. These are those lines. But I'll be doing them on CADS. So that means I'll be using the information of what I have here and I'll be doing here. So please follow me closely. So the first thing I always do once we have our lookout drawing, our structure element, I want to start to do on CADS is to set up our scale. So we're going to our base setup here. It's to be
Okay,
freaking let me use a scale of 50 is in there with does. Okay.
so going as I am with y 003 Patriot.
So my end of this work on here
Up with
inside here. So I will start placing our reinforcement. So to place I'll be placing this first. So to place this first, if I just go on here, I click Control C. This time I'll be doing bar, come to the block, new block.
I'm sitting back.
Okay, so members by chain. Game details. We press OK. So now for the shape of bar we'll be using, we go in here, scroll down, okay, pull using this shape of bar. So that was a 16 mm reinforcement. So we change the number of bars to 3. This is 16. It's the top bar. So all I also do now is to come to the edit dimension. I will come here and edit the dimension of the bar. So if you come here to edit, so for my here, then I assume 800.
the my pin. Let me type 200.
For my C,
And if the chain,
I see 3000.
the my 2
And it's like
200.
I press OK. Okay. And it places all these out.
Okay,
No, but I'm in the berry here. Let me rotate these and guys like Justin's. Right, Justin. His bar. Okay, let me change my D. Sorry, let me change my D. So I'm just voila. My D. We're going to try to pipe. I see. So if 32 is the minimum, you can bend out to. Let's see what's coming out. But you listen, make your sense. Then I increase it a little bit.
so the ports, let me change this to the line dot.
Okay. And the same increase the direction.
To 50.
Let me change
Change this back to 200.
Okay. Which makes a lot of sense. I can just make this.
And paste.
Sorry, idea. Let me go on offsets. Let me see the color of my beam is 25. So 25. And the corner. On offset is down. I change fine. So let me just make this. Sorry, idea. 25, okay. So I'm going offset here.
And those targets. So 25. In stage, I include perspectives.
And stage code will back here.
Okay,
I can just delete this that. And I delete this too.
because I have this.
The label is 2 to 16 dot reinforcement. So let me come to my label. And just select this. Press here. 2 to 16 dot. Okay, that's okay. So for the next one, let me do this bar 2 to 75, which is this. I can just copy this and just change its properties. So copy the copy passwords. Okay, those I built this. From there, change it to a step back. Drop. Okay, let's pass OK first. Creating a bar mark, yes. Okay, you have this here. So this is 2025. Let me move this here first.
And move this operator. So,
2025, when you change its properties, to be
seeing 75 Dobson. That's okay. That's okay. Open it this out.
okay. That's okay. Which is here. So when it's when I know the rear 2025, by your storage, the bar.
Stage to bar. So on the build this time.
Okay, get the J5 though. So instead of doing another bar, all I just is just to copy this bar again and just mirror it for select error. Let me pick this node. Error. Here is source object I'll say no. Then mirror bar sets. So mirrored this. It's a new bar sets then. And I'll move to say yeah. So when I just have to do is just to it. It's just a stage to this piece. But first, what's the good here of this one? 36 tons of it, which is the same here with this for main stage. A stage that these orderly die that I can let's do sell on middle. So 36 ton, which is too little. How's Grady? So the next thing we do now is to place a bottom there first, mate, which is this. So pressing the bottom bars down. Hit this bar. You can decide to begin up these bars here and those sides are just then. Okay, or you can just do it. So let me come back here. Control C, double bar, here mark. So then just look for his bar, which should be this. So bottom this time. Let me see. I didn't check the let me see. So to 16. That's okay. Okay, that's the 10.5. We just change the properties back. So when I pick the side and the dirties, I just easily adjust its properties. So 35 will be low and disable for now. So I'm done on 035. So starts my callback. So I just move these after the shiny work provided for entities or the install say line. Then I'll move these to somewhere hard here. So now this is good around the end. Wait, I say but it's just to do this last part. Instead of doing this last part again, I can just copy this bar. Yes, yeah, just mirror. So if I decide to, I can just mirror this bar. Here, by pixel here, at least source of it I'll signal. Copy mirror bar set here. And I'll just move this all the way. Yeah, which is good. So all I allow to the main is just to stage this down here. So I'll stage this here. So I'm done doing all the inbox. So what I can just do now is just to adjust in spots. So when you call it out first, then I adjust it.
So this is bottom.
This is up top. So let me adjust this. This is 25. So I will see the need T25 or dot, okay, which is good. For the next one is 2016 or dot 2016. Double click on it, 2016 or dot. So this is good. So now we can just draw parallels. Doing our leaks now. Just come here. I click Control C. Now with the orange. New block. Keep going and check the code buttons first. This is T10 out of 50 space in. Okay, T10 out of 50 space in. So we're going to come back here. Control C, the orange, lower mark. So this time we'll be using for the range type search I'll be using is single fixed pitch. So you select this
to that
So 50. Okay, so we'll be using another side, maybe the left hand side or the right hand side. So we'll look for the path, which is these variants. Repeat these earlier edges with spreading nodes. X. So now I show it some BP is the side. Okay, so X will do not just the command. Okay, we put in a dimension here. We size of our beam, the depth of our beam is 450, so you and your cover is 25 You know we call also 525, so with the left 500, base convert, then our beam is 175. I think it's 230, just the 5, so 175 will have go off to 525. Press OK. Okay. So we can use dark piece down, then start your range from higher peak range line. First set does a best your hand down, peak here, also 25 right here, at the 5. So it allows to stop here, you can here, instead of 25. Percent out spot here, spacing up to 50. Percent out spot here. Did this start by offset of 25. Pick the endpoints, instead of 25 idiot, percent out. We'll start with here. You write here, see percent out. Here's the white label, here's a white label. So I'll place my bar, so I either. So this is good. My bar label is here. So now I've done my bar. I choose this. So my the width of white beams are very to dead C. So we move a color of the entire fabric is shifting to dead C. We have to line 8C. So I can let's go near to change the properties at these. So I create press OK. For now I'm done detailing the braided beam. More steps off, you'll need section. So the third section, it's straightforward to. All you have to turn off is end the of set of 25 and put sides. A set of 25. A set of 25 here. Change the 5 here. And the his side. So I can pick OK. So I know my midpoint to it. So in the section you will be seeing here first variants. So now you come here again, Control C, double bar, add view. So you add the geometry length. So this time we'll be adding this side, which is this. So for my bar side, for this for my beam, all these styles are possible to use. So use profile. So for my style I'll be using profile. Then I'll press OK. So allow to turn my scales to clean here. I do. So I'm just change for properties of these. Parts of these. So put the polar to do. Say if I just go here, deform here, and put the shot. But these are going to be try if I just do nice stuff to its orders. So now I've done it back. The next step is to do the bars, the main bars here, which are already up here like donuts. So we'll be seeing these bars. I'll be seeing these bars as reporting a section out here. So to do this now, we come to Control C, detail. We come to in section, select this. We want it to be a linear or solid press or solid percent down. There will be this press, but in that one. So it is 16, put this and go blue. After 12 them there. We repeat the same process of the second when it comes to videos. In section, solid hairs. I'll repeat this now we're having can photos are pictures. Copy. So copy. So the next thing we're supposed to do now is to call these out. When looking at this section, it was done on a different scale. This was done on the scale of around 25. So now if you decide to call these out, here now working on the scale of 1 to 50. If you decide to call these out on the scale of 1 to 50, because that will be too big. I would say it will really make your work presentable. So I will have to do it again. The your store is to do another scale for this section. So for work with the smaller scale now. We can do a top A3. Okay, this time will be a scale of 1 to 25. Doing it 1 mm That's okay. So now, see the same, but I see why the others are 3. Okay. Actually, the ship can buy them puts so count. So with any else make this why I like here. So my son is killed or card the event, so card detail fright. So what I can do now is just to do this. So we do this now. What's the market cards I'll see now? Pick this at the address. Select this route. Do this. So for the ones I bought, I think the central of it. Keep this. For this, curlies. I'm just met these with the hazeline. So now, for the links, the procedure, select these, do this. Now we go to the bill, these. So this is all for beam, for Martinel's beam. I got to see you can use the same approach for a series of their beam. The Martinel's beam, irrespective of the spine, you can keep just to any like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.